friends, today we will draw a truck from shapes. First of all, I am going to draw a triangle. Now I'm going to draw a square. Now I'm going to draw a big square. This time I'm going to draw a circle for wheels. Now for the driver's seat, I am going to draw a rectangle. Now another circle for a wheel. Now I'm going to draw a horizontal rectangle. Now for the window, I am going to draw a rectangle. There are 3 rectangles in the truck, 2 squares, 2 circles, and 1 triangle. Let's paint with me. Red color for the small square. Green color for the triangle. Blue color for the big square. Yellow color for the big rectangle. Orange color for the horizontal rectangle. Pink color for the window. Last but not least, black color for the wheels. Wow, this truck looks so cool with the shapes. See you in my next video. Bye.